Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a frustrating issue, your iPhone not restarting. It can be really annoying when your phone freezes up and just won't cooperate. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we're going to walk you through a few easy fixes you can try at home to get your iPhone working again. We'll cover everything from basic troubleshooting to some slightly more advanced solutions. So stick around. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing to try when your iPhone won't restart is a force restart. This is different from a regular restart, and it can often kickstart a frozen device. *4 iPhones with Face ID, iPhone 8, or iPhone SE, second generation, and later *. 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button, the power button, until you see the Apple logo. Don't let go even if the screen goes black. Keep holding until the logo appears. *4 iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus *. 1. Press and hold both the side button, the power button, and the volume down button at the same time. 2. Keep holding them until you see the Apple logo. 4 iPhone 6s or iPhone SE, first generation. 1. Press and hold both the home button and the side button, the power button, at the same time. 2. Keep holding them until you see the Apple logo. Okay, so you've tried the force restart and your iPhone still isn't turning on? Don't panic. The next thing to consider is your battery. Your iPhone might simply be completely out of power. Plug your iPhone into a charger and let it charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes, when the battery is completely drained, it can take a little while for it to respond. Check the screen after a few minutes to see if the charging icon appears. If it does, just let it charge. If you plugged it in and you don't see the charging icon, try a different charger and a different cable. Sometimes a faulty cable or charger is the culprit. Also, make sure the outlet you're using is working. Try plugging something else into the same outlet to confirm. Okay, so you've tried the force restart and checked the battery, and nothing's working. Time to move on to a slightly more advanced solution. We're going to try updating or restoring your iPhone using a computer. You'll need a Mac or PC with iTunes, or Finder on newer Macs. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. 2. Open iTunes, or Finder on newer Macs. 3. Now we need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. The steps for this are similar to the force restart, but with a slight difference. *4 iPhones with Face ID, iPhone 8, or iPhone SE, second generation, and later *. 1. Quickly press and release the volume up button. 2. Quickly press and release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen, the screen with the cable pointing to a computer. *4 iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus *. 1. Press and hold both the side button and the volume down button. 2. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. 4 iPhone 6s or iPhone SE, first generation. 1. Press and hold both the home button and the side button. 2. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect it and give you two options, update or restore. *update*, try this option first. iTunes or Finder will attempt to reinstall iOS without erasing your data. This is the preferred option because you won't lose your photos, contacts, etc. *restore*. If the update doesn't work, you'll need to restore your iPhone. This will erase all the data on your device and reinstall iOS. Only do this if the update option fails. Follow the on-screen instructions in iTunes or Finder to complete the update or restore process. Alright, so if you've tried all of these steps and your iPhone still isn't restarting, it might be a sign of a more serious hardware problem. In that case, the best thing to do is contact Apple support or take your iPhone to an authorized Apple service provider for diagnosis and repair. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. Let us know in the comments below which method helped you fix your iPhone. And again, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. See you in the next video.